There's our plane. So we've made it down here. That's so big.
Where are you going?
Oh, that looks pretty good, David. I think it's 24.
It's not quite, but you can take 24.
If you want to, Laura, you can take
Melora just took your fortune and stole it from somebody because you didn't get the right number. Now what is? Where are we, David?
Tokyo.
Tokyo. Little cherry blossoms up over the top, poking their heads over the wall. Yeah,
Wish all those blue cups weren't in the way. I don't even know.
What do you call
Small.
looks like a pig in a blanket.
Okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki.
Yummy. Looks like a breakfast omelet.
It's not bad. I mean, I'm not sure what I'm eating.
It's got eggs, it's got ginger. Cherry blossom season.
Block it in. Hey, you want to go that one? Come back up that other block. Okay, let's do that.
What are they waiting for there?
This is Meiji Temple. Come in here.
Wait.
Over 1,000 trees are planted in this place. Various people.
Here, David, you do ours first. After you guys.
Where are we going?
I don't know. We're going to the Meiji.
Meiji Jingu.
Meiji Jingu.
Is it Jingu?
Built in the 1930s in memory of the emperor.
What's the significance of these?
They're just wishes.
Oh, people wrote on them.
Yeah. Those two trees represent the emperor and the empress. It's a cool rope. This is other entrance into this. You can see how he has his doors built there. Pretty cool. Back into the
shrine in the back?
yeah.
I don't know. What is it?
You don't know?
No.
But you thought it was cool?
Yeah.
Going over the street right
Get away
there.
from the wall! Or bring the mirrors in. One of the two.
Well, there's still a sign. There's still
Just pull him right here. He's whacking his elbow. Okay, we made it.
We're right on time.
3 o'clock. Look at that. We're right here by the tunnel.
Yeah.
And this one is what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect.
Go look top.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah, one more up. Good. Up, spinning, spinning. Put here. Balance. Oh,
Want me to blow?
okay. Just do that.
Okay, flat. Okay, I got it.
Good. Flat, flat.
Flat, David. Flat.
Oh, I like that.
Okay.
Whoa.
Good. Draw. Flat, 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 flat.
Oh, it's our time.
Okay, yeah. Remember level and slow.
Like airplane touch. Spinning, spinning, spinning.
Go
Don't
faster,
stop,
Muller.
Don't stop, don't stop.
You miss?
Yes. 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 Yeah. Okay, stop, stop. Yes. Yes.
More?
More. Okay, stop. Whoa. Okay. Slow touch. Narrow. No. Tilt.
Too much?
No. Good.
More?
Good. Yes, good.
Really hot.
Okay.
Make sure your paddle's
Oh.
straight.
Too much?
Yeah, too much.
Up and down, up and down. Yeah, there you go.
Yes.
Keep going.
Yes. So,
Oh, that's a big lump. How we do got that big lump?
Okay.
Now go. Oh,
There.
wow!
He pushed.
Yep.
Oh yeah, it is hot in there. There they are. Cool. Okay. Video for a minute.
Okay, but take a picture.
Fine.